Sissel Tolaas is an artist and a researcher who's known for working with smells. She was born in Norway and is based in Berlin. She has a background in chemistry, math, and language art. Tolaas is working actively on diverse aspects of the topic of scents. She began to concentrate on this in 1990, researching its importance in different sciences, fields of art and design, and other disciplines. At the time, she developed a small archive in over 7,000 airtight jars. In January 2014, Tolaas established the Smell Research Lab in Berlin for her smell and communication language. Her research has won recognition through numerous national and international scholarships, honors, and prizes. She goes around to different places in the world to smell the air and describe what people ate and what they smell like. She does not necessarily have physical works of art. She only makes sense. She says smell is a highly elusive phenomenon. Odors, unlike colors, for instance, cannot be named, at least not in the European languages. The FEAR research project started in 2005 with 20 men of bodies from 20 different parts of the world with one severe phobia in common, a fear of other people's bodies based on different extreme and less extreme reasons. Each of these men were given an electric device that was specially made for the project. This is a very small object that men carried with them everywhere at all times. At the onset of a fear attack, the men would place the device under each armpit. Subsequently, the equipment would suck the sweat and register its molecules. The samples were then sent to the research lab in Berlin overnight. This is where the original sweat samples were chemically stimulated. The manufactured molecules were then micro-encapsulated, a nanotechnology process in which molecules are packed together in micro units. The tiny membranes of these units rupture so easily that touching them activates the smell again. The micro-encapsulated stimulated sweat molecules were then integrated into transparent smell neutral binders with which the gallery walls were painted. By doing so, only touching the walls released the smells. The smells were all painted next to each other without any clear borders, as if one body was positioned next to the other, merely separated by numbers positioned in the left corner of each smell portrait.